this is iNostalgia here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install macOS Sonoma on an unsupported Mac. So let's begin. Information, and as you can see I have a MacBook Pro. Information, and as you can see I have a MacBook Pro 11 4, which means that I have a MacBook Pro mid 2015. I'm gonna show you what that ID means in editing. So, to install macOS Sonoma, first up, you gotta open up your browser and search up OpenCore Patcher. And click the first link, the dortania.github.io. Click Getting Started, click Download and Build. Wait. Oh, you click GitHub here and click Releases, the latest. So you open up. Sorry, I'm from Polish and yeah, my English is not that good. So you download the OpenCore Patcher GUI.app.zip. You wait for it to download. Unzipping. And now you open up the OpenCore Patcher. It might take a while. Oh, and if I know correctly, this is only supported to MacBook Pro 2016, I believe. So yeah, my Mac is supported. Actually, I'm gonna get started and see what's macOS Sonoma support. Yeah, here's the info here. What the maximum support for the macOS Sonoma. So it launched up. Now you click Create macOS installer. Now you may or may not have the macOS Sonoma installer. So yeah, I guess you don't have it because on macOS Monterey, which I'm on, yeah, macOS Monterey, you can't download the macOS Sonoma unless you're on a newer Mac, but then it's really useless if you have a Mac that is supported by Sonoma. So you click Download macOS installer, finding available installers. Now you can Big Sur, Monterey, Ventura, or Sonoma. So yeah, I already have it like done on my MacBook. So you just click download. Yeah, you just plug in your USB stick, pen drive, whatever you call it, to your MacBook, and you download the installer. So if you already downloaded it, then you gotta click Build and Install OpenCore. And it's pretty quick. Finish building your OpenCore configuration. Would you like to install OpenCore now? So yeah, you gotta click Install to Disk, but yeah, I already have it. So just click Install to Disk, and it's gonna instant you reboot, and I'm gonna show you what to do. So I really forgot to tell you that after you should have done that before, but I completely freaking forgot. So now you gotta just open up disk utility. It's loading. Sorry if you hear like my MacBook fans, but every time at startup it's like for 2 minutes and then it disappears. I don't know why, how, but it is what it is. I don't know, but this utility really... Oh, okay. And now I have some macOS Sonoma key volume, because like I said, I already did that, but you just click on the here. Normally you're gonna see that view, but now you just click on view and show all devices. Click on the Apple SSD, whatever is the first. Oh wait, you actually just you actually click on the container disk one or macOS, whatever. Now you gotta click volume, here volume, and you gotta click plus. Let's name it like, I don't know, OpenCore, APFS, and click add. And don't click the partition because it's gonna erase your disk. I almost done that and lost all my data. So yeah, don't do that. And now you have a volume. It's shared with the Apple on your entire disk. So if you like, you can't really fill it up. I mean, you can, but it's not like you have a limited disk space like if you did by partitioning it. So now you just shut down your MacBook, and I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do next. Okay, so now, by the way, guys, sorry for the quality, and that is gonna be mainly blurred because that freaking MacBook screen is really reflective on black, and I don't wanna show my face. So now you just turn on the MacBook, and yeah, I have to shut it down, sorry guys. But when you're turning on your MacBook, then quickly hold down your Option key or Alt key. And yeah, it's of course if you're doing this the first time. And now you're gonna have volume like your macOS main partition, the macOS Monterey, like in my case scenario. Now I have done this already, so there's another partition called Untitled with its macOS Sonoma, which when I boot up, yeah, it shows the like this. You can do that. You have an unsupported Mac. So now I gotta turn this off again. Okay. And now you gotta choose FI boot. And now you're gonna see your main macOS Monterey. Yeah, it's turned on, but normally it's gonna show your pen drive. You gotta choose your pen drive, install your macOS, again turn on your MacBook with the Option key holded, choose macOS Sonoma, and boom, you got it. After and I wanna notice that after a few times you're not gonna have to hold the Option key when turning it off, turning it on, but for the first few times you gotta do that. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it, and see ya.